Welcome students. I am going to teach you in this video 9th standard English grammar tenses. Last video I taught past perfect tense. In this video I am going to teach you past perfect tense. Usage, method of writing, keywords, example exercise. In this past perfect tense, as usage. The past perfect tense action that started in the past and extended to the particular past time. This is a usage of past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect tense, how to write it? Had been plus V1 ing. All the person, first person singular or plural, second person singular or plural, third person singular or plural. All the person write had been plus V1 ing. This is a method of writing. The keyword is since for. Since will since and also when for. When since when for. So this is the action of keywords for past perfect tense. So let us discuss past perfect tense usage and other examples. That this is a 8th tense. Tense number 8, past perfect continuous tense. Tense number 8. Usage, action that started in the past, action that started in the past and extended to the particular past time, and extended to the particular past time. Then another usage is to describe an action, to describe an action that has been going on, that has been going on for some time in the past, for some time in the past. So these are the usage of a past perfect tense. Action means that started in the past. ஏற்கனவே ஒரு செயல் ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கோம், அது அப்படியே நீ எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் தொடர்ச்சியா நீண்டு இருக்கும் to the particular past and தொடர்ச்சியா மற்றும் இன்னொரு past டைம்ல தொடர்ச்சியா நீண்டு இருக்கும்னா. To describe, to explain clearly an action that has been going on continuously, okay, going on for certain the past. These are the usage of a past perfect tense and also method of writing. Method of writing, all subject use had been plus V1 ing. For example, I had been writing, we had been writing, you had been playing, he had been writing, she had been eating, it had been watching, they have been going. So these are the method of writing. The keywords, when, since, when, for. So mostly since for. Okay, so actually two actions happen in past perfect continuous tense. These are the example of keywords of past perfect continuous tense. I would like to give you example. The first one example is the building had been standing. The building had been standing. The building had been standing here for more than 10 years. 10 years before it was demolished. So in this first example, the two past action is doing in the sentence. First one is past perfect tense. Okay, this is for. For is a keyword. So continuous tense had been standing. This is a past perfect continuous tense example. For பார்த்ததுனால இதுல ரெண்டு ஆக்ஷன் செயல்படும். ரெண்டுமே பாஸ்ட்ல செயல்படும். சில எக்ஸ்டெண்டட் செயல்படும். இன்னும் நடக்குது. The building, okay, இந்த கட்டடம் எவ்வளவு நாள் நிக்குதுங்க? more than 10 years, 10 வருஷமா நிக்குது. எப்ப நடக்குது? எதுக்கு முன்னாடி பாருங்க? So demolished. So பழுதடைக்கு முன்னாடி வரைக்கும் இருந்தது சொல்றாங்க. So I would like to give you a second example. I have been waiting for a long time. I have been waiting for a long time before my bus came. Before my bus came. In this second example, for is a keyword of a past perfect tense. So underline had been given a G. Okay, had been waiting. So in this sentence also two actions happened. I have been waiting for a long time. So this is the first action before my bus came. So வரதுக்கு நான் ரொம்ப நேரமா வந்து காத்திருந்த பஸ் வரதுக்கு முன்பு காத்திருந்த சொல்றேன். So these are the two examples of past perfect. I would like to give you exercise. क्वेश्चन पेपरல எப்படி கேட்பாங்க? क्वेश्चन पेपर எப்படி கேட்டு चूஸ் ஆப்ஷன் தருவாங்க. அது எப்படி கரெக்ட்டா चूஸ் பண்ணி ஆன்சர் சரியா எழுதணும்ன்றத நெக்ஸ்ட் இது பார்க்கலாம். நம்ம ஒரு எக்சர்சைஸ். People dash on foot and by bullock cart for hundreds of years. For hundreds of years before others. Okay, before other. A option had traveled. B option had been traveling. C option travel. So I have given here three options. Among the three, how do you want to pick up? So people on foot. Okay, நான் பாருங்க காலா தான் பாருங்க. எதுக்கு முன்னாடி bullock cart ஒரு தமிழ் ஓகே ஒரு டிராவல் மாற்ற முடியும்னா 100 years before 100 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி hundreds of வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி நடந்ததா போட மாட்டாங்க so that இந்த ரெண்டு ஆக்ஷன் செயல்படுது பாருங்க so first action ஒரு past okay ஒன்னு second is past so first one had travel past perfect tense ஆகுது second one பாருங்க had been traveled so past perfect tense ஆகுது and the third one is traveled past tense among these three B is a correct answer answer B had been traveling. This is a correct answer. So I would like to give you continuously second exercise. When I returned home, when I returned home, my brother dash the novel for 3 hours. So in this example there are two past actions happen here when for so இந்த குத்துற போற கீவேர்ட் அத படி ரூல் படி பண்ணுங்க I'll give you option A have read B option reads C option had been reading so இங்க என்ன பண்றாங்க எப்ப நானு ஓகே I returned home திரும்பணும் என்னோட பிரதர் என்ன படிச்சிருந்தாங்க நாவல் 3 மணி நேரம் படிச்சு முடிச்சிருந்தான்னு சொன்னாங்க so both are past action அப்ப when for பார்த்தனால had in past tense past perfect tense reads present tense had been reading this is a past perfect tense among the three C is a correct answer so answer C had been reading so I'll give you third exercise when they played football my uncle dash a new bicycle for 5 hours so this okay so the third example also I have given two past action when they played football அவங்க எப்ப ஃபுட்பால் விளையாடுனா என்னோட அங்கிள் என்ன பண்ணாரு ஒரு புது பைசைக்கிள் என்ன பண்ணாரு 5 மணி நேரமா ட்ரெயின் பண்ணிட்டு சொன்னாங்க ஓகே A option is will make B option have been making C option makes so that I have given here three options among the three you have to pick up the correct answer so inga edha pannunga will make is a future tense have been making is the past past tense last one C is a participle present tense so that among these three options B is the correct answer so idha nama pick up pannikalna because the past perfect tense answer B had been making students இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்த்தோம்னாக்க டென்சஸ்ல இப்போ 8th டென்ஸ் past perfect tense பார்த்தோம் அதோட யூசேஜ் மெத்தட் ஆஃப் ரைட்டிங் கீவேர்ட்ஸ் எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கேன் எக்ஸசைஸ் தான் எக்ஸாம் எப்படி கேட்பாங்க அதை நம்ம எப்படி ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணுறத மொத்தமாக கொடுத்துருக்கேன் இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா எல்லாருக்கும் புரிஞ்சு நம்புறேன் we will discuss other okay next video thanks for watching this video